Hello, in this video we will determine the trendline equation of this data range using linest function, slope function, intercept function, and also the matrix operation using average, sum square, rows, sum products, minverse, and mmult or matrix multiplier. Let's begin with the linest function. Linest of this range, known data y, known data x. These values can be calculated or determined using slope function. Known data x and the intercept known data y, known data x. We can also use the matrix operation by populating this matrix equation. Begin with 1, average of x, and it's average of x, and sum square of x. This divided by the number of rows. Number of rows of this range. In this area, we have average of y, and this will be sum product. Sum product of x and y. Divided by the number of rows of this range. Now that we have completed this equation, we can now transpose this to determine the values of Bm. So transpose, we use the minverse function. Now that we have transposed this to the other side of the equation, we can now multiply these two matrices using mmult. This completes the calculation of B intercept and M slope in a trendline equation of linear regression using least square method.